Cynthia, Adewo wo, Adewo lo, Adewo he, Adewo wo, come here. Soon will level. Kuweke, Owiyo Baromane Gberu Yamari. Kuweke Owiyo Baro war. A useless Obama. Where you go marry? Where you they cheat on? That one not fit up, that one Mugu. JJC. Jolly just come. Now Jolly just come. Now Mumu and be. You don't get sense on your own. Woman say carry your head good side. 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 Because really responsible woman, where their husband has, husband will know him work, husband will know his duty. I don't see any reason where we say your wife will move from one presenter to another presenter. One presenter go they call your wife day and night for his house because she's depressed. Now she's already depressed. All the things when they happen to her today, now she use her hand cause her. Cynthia is the problem of herself. She's the architect of her problem. Cynthia Adewo is the architect of her problem because she got an evil heart. That's why God will punish her. If person where they give out as a giver, say your heart's good, you for not born picking of your own. You for not born for this man. Why this man not the way they say? Because why? The man already born children for everywhere. So you just be like somebody there. You go knock you finish, you go stick a month. Put hand for your breast, suck up, me on your breast at the end of the day, go still go relax. You like you born, you like you not born, you not concerned now. It's none of his business. Looking for the fruit of the womb. At the time we not know anything. He shop this woman, when he shop this woman, when he say he want to do medicine for this woman, make it born. This woman, I still post medicine, go give this woman. Post or do medicine, go give. Oh God, I don't my drink. Now there I know this woman useless. He saying the UK in educated when he goes school for UK, doctor for UK, but he don't get sense. Illiterate they scam you as well. You don't get sense. You pay money. Go give Atiti. Atiti where you give 4,000 euro, 4,000 pounds. You give her 1,000 pounds. You give her 700 pounds. You give her this. You say they boss Atiti money every time. You want to medicine. Now, is it that can swear? If not be me, tell you say, since you know say Atiti now nothing to do medicine, why you not tell Atiti you do medicine? Your way they born. What you tell me? Use your mouth and talk what you tell you for the whole world. If you come for their platform. Oh, your voice come low now. You, oh my God, you don't have a low voice. Whenever you start saga, you have a low voice. You will collect. You see the saga where your boyfriend, the saga my wife. Now God punish you so. Cynthia, now God now punish you so. You go collect time from my hand in 1,000 food. Who are soon go man? Now me talking. Now me talking. You go.
Because we are spending for them.
Okay.
Spending for them because they get job. For me to ask me, when the father in hospital, he asked me, he called me. I paid. When the papa in the hospital, when I good na no man na.
He said when my father at the hospital, he sent me call him. Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all with better star. My father not stay hospital, they not have been. My father, the day when my father sleep hospital, another day die. The very day when my father sleep hospital, he not see the next day. You didn't think so? Cynthia, you all this your life not going to help you, go make me beat you before. I want to come and say the truth. Then you will, I will not leave you. If you use your mouth, talk the truth, I will leave you. But yes, if you lie, I will beat you. If you don't know, they can tell you now. Before my father, but if I talk for ground, see, In on the state hospital. I registered my father in Stella Ogbama in the house hospital, opposite airport for Airport Road. I have the videos. You don't feel me so? Maybe you don't want to tell a lie. You see my father at the hospital, you see me come call her, say, me need money, God forbid. God forbid. You get money. Wait to. I'm going to show now. I'm going to show now proof. Sister, come here. She come closer. Come in closer. Come in closer. It's like I go sweep me, sir. My lie. I didn't like this kind of singer. Come in closer. Come in, Cynthia. Cynthia. Okay. Let me go on. Let me go down to where? I go the good now. Okay. This is August 7, 2022. August 7, 2022. You see my dad. Now video, I go play the video for now. Yes, my dad don't leak. I go play the video for now. August 7, 2022. This is my dad. For hospital. He will see treatment. You see my dad? See my dad? You see my dad? You see my dad? Nothing can be for halfway. Halfway. Hello? Bro, say hello. What's the level? Yeah. Yes. God bless you. Thank you very much, bro. That's all. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. I'm on you be. Yeah. Now, you see my dad. This is my dad. This is my father. This is my father for hospital treatment. Now, if you receive this treatment, car there outside, I bought a car, brand new car. You understand? Now that car that will still go pick him, go drop him. I get more of the videos. Even when they come from hospital. You understand? Men like that. Like this one now. This one now, my dad. You see her? He tell my sister, must make it tell me, say, I don't become elder in your journey. You see this shirt? No, remember this shirt with my papa body so. I use it to do live video here. You understand? When I see this shirt, when I see the truck, the neck away here. And they wear on here. You understand? Never can I live a fake life. Now, the day when my father sleep hospital, and that day my father late. Sister Cynthia, when he say me call you, when my father day hospital, my father died at about 1 something for night. I dey sleep for bed. I bear you what? Now he called me, wake me for night, give me the news. Then I just pack home from 170 room, enter to 2 room. That room, that house where I did, that my father's house. And there I did that time. With me if I block this person come off my platform. You understand? Then you say my party hospital can't call you. It's not good. It's just put the laugh. My papa go, my papa talking for ground say, "Even now your hospital they don't need ba. Even not out or no. Even they see us so before we better my father we quarrel we get down because I say you know the hospital where I for register my father. If you get my father body be drive go there, I go there. The treatment finish, return my back house. Return my back house. He know the sleep hospital. He has never slept hospital once. Now law we don't for ground. No matter the condition where they make us allow him sleep hospital. Now, when I say, now he call and say, when I carry me go up to see he get as a body big. The next for not carry and go to the hospital where for register now can go nearby hospital. Can I go nearby hospital for area before what's the happen? When I leave out there, me go do test. Now I still go do test, come by itself. After do test, me go give the photo. They say they go admit her. When I know say, Papa talk and say, but I reckon in every hospital, but how ni raragbo, una come allow us deposit. I mean my senior brother get down for this matter for long before we come for someone, but my personal life on the variable. And like you go tell me what you use my papa do. Till result of family crisis. Now this Ozuo. When we never even see the chop, I don't know you. Not because I don't do okay. You say I can't call you. Okay, when my father comes back, you give me money. I call you for phone. You will call me say sorry, your pack by. No. When I say this woman useless, when I see where I want debunk a lie, now we say when I pass the hospital, me come call her. Now me and Titi we don't quarrel. Since when me and Titi quarrel, this woman run away from me. When me and Titi quarrel, I was still living in one room, 170 euro room. Hello, are you guys hearing me? Nah. I was still living in 170 euro room when my papa buy. Then this woman disconnect from me. This useless woman, when they say if they try to settle the issue between me and Titi, this was the woman who is now this woman they pump at me with saga. When I say how this woman say the lie will go live for Pika platform just now. The same woman you say you dey make peace between me and my guy with the quarrel. You go right topic. Frank Omozwo, Unogbekola. This same woman open page for Titi with my name. Unogbekola. You understand? Now, this Atitina with the quarrel for 170 euro room where I go like this place where they do live video show. My pack buy for that same 170 euro room. After me I still quarrel, then I don't do 2 rooms for that house. I get the same one. That house I don't do 2 rooms. I get my bedroom. I can't use that 170 euro room to do office. Then my papa can't give up for March 12. And March 18 is my birthday. I don't already the date appear you wow. You understand? I don't already the date appear you already. Starting from Germany, come reach Italy. You understand? Immediately I reach Italy, me and this one will disconnect. When it comes to say, Abia will not come in, she can't disconnect. She's not going to flow again. When Atiti come, the issue now Abia will about to cause quarrel between me and Atiti. You understand? Now, for this woman to come in, what did they do? He call Abia back. This evil woman. When he call Abia back. Trying to make sure, see, because Atiti was trying to make sure, do everything to settle with Abia, with removing me out of the road. They do everything. He even goes to go connect Iyore. You understand? He go connect Iyore. I think go call Iyore. Me Iyore call Abia. Beg Abia you are set me there for settle so that they go disconnect me. Baba, me Abia you are not wanting na baskets. Guys, and not what you will tell them when you go talk. Especially when you love somebody. If you just call your back and that your friend not be your friend, this one not be your friend, this one not be your friend. He will just vomit everything straight. When you say Abia will not tell me, no you tell her, not tell her, when let her hear, you go must tell me. Not let her hear. So me now say, Grandma, you're boom. I'm not saying I can't use her and look at it. When I say, okay, my friend, let me say, Alpha, Grandma, come chop. You now, you even go there, go chop. You don't let chop, you want to pursue me. Maybe not see chop. I say, okay, no problem. I left for her. Now say, okay, all this people don't think for abroad, now so they do. No, like how they understand them because life na teacher. The more they live, the more they learn. I call they understand the way actually they do things, including this as well. This one was not supporting her to see how they attract money from Abia. I go lock up. She was not begging Abia, pleading with Abia, for that he and still go make peace. Why I still they go the lay cost on Abia enemy head. Then, Okuna Waharu way. This woman, now you're the inside. Then what you go so? My father by March 12. And March 18 was my birthday. You know, for the vibes. Hey, yo, but yo. That was 2023. And my back by me and this woman will disconnect. We're no longer communicating because of attitude page where I collect. Because I tell attitude, say attitude, when I am ready for you, that saga and the cook it never done. If it don't, I go share it for you. I pick it off. He don't cook a goosey or black soup for us. We want to chop the saga. I say, no problem. Let's wait and see. I will tell you, a master is always a master. I put you in the game. I will teach you the game that you did not know. You understand? When I'm ready to serve at it, the saga, when I want to serve him, I shut down the social media. I shut down the media. By going to his page, he don't remove me from the page. He removed me, do everything, remove me. But the YouTube, he removed me. I lock up. I chill. I chill. I chill. I mean, I don't know what's going to when I want servant in a grand style, I sit down for the page, back. Say me, oh yeah, that new generational prophet attitude. Now I sit down, go servant the saga. I go servant the saga. I think this is a piece of money. This woman is going mad. This woman, where you know they call me because of the saga lolo. This useless woman, where she know they call me because of the saga lolo. Between the fight between Lolo and Justin and Cora. When you know the one the saga Cora, I came out to hit a lot of what you consider Cora. This woman begin to the paro. The next woman called me. He made me a medal. A boom. I would think she don't block me. And I would say she's still not until this yesterday. Now I know this woman still get my number for phone. Now I know this woman still get my number for phone. The next thing, now we the for Saga for TT platform. Now that I know I see a boy is always a boy. Lion is the king of forest. Don't play, you go learn. I said you shall go serve you my Saga. I said they cook him, and if I cook him, go serve him for your platform. He was thinking it's a joke. He did not kata. Now me leave that YouTube for you. Now me open the YouTube for you. Now me grow the YouTube for you. Now me still leave it for you. If I want to collect the YouTube, I'll still collect it. If I want to collect, I'll kill that YouTube. If I want to do one, I'll condemn the YouTube. You don't go for the enter. But you not get what I want benefit for his side. The money we do on Facebook where I work. That if I never collect what for your Facebook, so I collect like $300. Yes, now I don't collect what Facebook normal level. The next thing I'm gonna on Facebook, have a deal. It's monetize Facebook. Also, just they cry. You and your man go cry and go tire. I thought I say, if I not get what now I use the Facebook do, I will see my wife dance for them, or maybe cook for them. Man, me I know don't you $5. They don't give me 5K. I also pay for them. Me they say that if I see anybody give me 5,000 for Nigeria self. Any person give me like 5K or 5 million, I just send the page given. I don't hand over the page, everything about the page, I'll give the person. Both the monetization, everything. The pay after everything, I give the person the card they go. Yes. Go and change the name, change everything about the page. Remove all my videos. I will sell it off. May I go to you know the reason why? You don't threaten me now. Not born you way. You will be grow up where I grow up for media, for universal media. You they threaten me. You will not know your left or your right. They threaten me. You will the right topic give you. They threaten me. You will they go greet good morning. You go say the right bad comment. You go block the person. They go write good morning sir. You go say a bad comment the person because you go block the person. You they threaten me. And this useless woman did that you can. The next thing go give him. If I feel just mistakenly just shake it for life, you cry. This one will call, go the person, will give her money. You go give her money. I still consider the 4 months until they drink this woman money. This Cynthia. No. You understand? March 12. Now I carry my pa go hospital. And that day my pa give up. Because he sleep death deliberate. The next morning my pa don't rest in peace. You feel me so? Then when you can't take, when I can't take call you, me where they bed they sleep for night. I don't know say they carry my back go hospital. I don't know. They not call me. In the middle of night, around that kind 12, they see my back by around that kind 11 something, 11 to 12, then the party give up. Then they started to call my phone. Because for one sleep, they put my phone for silence. You understand? They started to call my phone. My phone dey inside bed. It is like ring. I'm not there. They call rest. Or direct call, Nigeria direct call. Around 1, I must wake up normally. So that I wake up like this, but I go free, I go collect cold stout. That I never know tenants, I know they drink tenants, I start at the drink. No, no. Start and palmy. I'll go free, I go collect cold stouts. If I miss something for example, I'll turn palmy for glass. I'll sip on. My brain will come down again. I'll relax, I'll relax, I'll carry for them. Just for the play game. As I wake up and I see many missed calls. My phone, you know this one. I see my sister, they know my phone not full for call or missed calls. You know they call me. I go see my cousin, come play voice record for WhatsApp. Baba don't go. And they cry, whoa. If I look at those things, for me who read that voice record, I bet you will not call me. I just say this call like 20. You will not call me. Wow. Say hello. Say you know how what happen now? Say what happen? I see many missed calls my phone. What happen? You know they see they play voice record. Say your father don't die. I say your father go. Say yes. I say okay. No problem. It's no recipes. Say just like that. I want you want to know what is in the title. You don't go down till long. No, it's not. Now I stand up again. Now I enter fridge. This one I tell you, the house where I did, the landlord go Nigeria. The landlord did Nigeria. Now let me, the landlord wife, and my neighbor will just be telling within their house. So as I wake up that night, I consider my enter fridge back. Now I bring Pamiko, now I bring start come out. Now turn canoe. Now I miss some. Hello. What up, baby? Oh, what up for you? You like video? No Wahala. Okay. Okay. No problem. No Wahala. What's up? All right, man. Thank you very much. Thank you. Well, sorry. You understand? But now they down from you. But now I go my studio. That time, the that room in my studio. Now I put my Bluetooth back down. I'm mommy win you. Bad boy. I can't play the music they drop for me. And they play the music they drop for me. I can't write my status. A great man, a room is gone. That night, many of them will put the phone for WhatsApp and watch that status we arrived my WhatsApp. People begin to call me that night. Frank wasn't. I said, hey, why you still go join the ancestors? I don't go join the ancestors. That's what they do. Till they break. I sit down till they break like this. I can't watch the videos where they say for me for hours. You understand? I can't watch the videos where they say for they watch her. So they watch her, they start to drink my palm with small stuff. As they break my landlord come to my landlord and say, Mama, good morning, I come with my landlord. I say, I lost my father last night. He say, hey, where are you? What the hell? See, they play music. And we are married. Now, we are sorry, bastard. So, sister, when I go to call you to my father hospital, me when I even know that I carry my father hospital. Sit here. When I come to call you, when you go tell Okpaika say, my father hospital, I call you send me money. Sit here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is what I'm saying. So if you say when you talk so, you see, you know me, you know me, you know say me I'm not the full left husband. You know my husband.
No, I not say sit. Wait, make we play this to finish. You are still here now. You not go work today and Sunday. Wait, make I play this finish. I go to ask you question. Are you hearing me? Because nobody know whether you fly go there. You understand?
Fly go where?
You wait, make the play busy. You listen, okay? You dey hear me? Okay. All right, my people, let's go. What?
Cynthia, go Spain with your husband. You understand? Cynthia, has he toast you or be not toast you? Question mark. Has he toast you or be not toast you? Did you tell your husband say has he toast you? Let's be frank. What is adulterous? Now, let me explain further. As a married woman, you see, I don't want to use my wife to compare this to Nyama dirty Oloshola way they live so. As a married woman. As a married woman, when they don't pay a bride price, if somebody talk to you for outside, definitely you are a woman. Very beautiful woman with that matter. Not be you. We must say, sister, forget me couple. Now, coffee you wear. Person. As a very beautiful woman, when man pay a bride price, if you go for road, you must encounter people they talk to you on road. Apart from say, they not hold you for year. If man hold you for year, as a married woman, you go hold that man. Yes, you go shout, you go raise a lamp for that man's head. Now let your husband get the right to hold you for year. Ozoe, that's abomination. Tozoe, as custom and traditions demand. Now, man, they toast you for phone. You and the man they call when you know say your husband's house. You know when they tell your husband say this man they toast you. You they follow the man they laugh. You they tell the man say you are married. You are married. Fine. As a woman, what be say you not show to him. Man say you don't write up for her say I'm a married woman. Man if he see you for Facebook toast you. Now he go determine you what you go tell the man. Say bros not vex. I don't marry you. Okay fine. The man go chill, go forget about you. You understand? Paraveja maybe you get what the man see for your body. You are a good woman, you are a nice woman, you have a good heart, you have the heart of giving. The man call it pay you. Now you come to the man say you don't marry you. Now when the man continue, you will let your husband know. You will let your husband know. So that the ancestors no go raise fire upon your head. You will let your husband know. The man when they toast you, you let the man know say you don't marry. The man say okay, no problem. He still they disturb you. You go their husband house. The man, another man go they call you for your husband house. Then you say, mommy, send me. I better help me do this one. I better help me do this one. I better write this one for me. I better help me send me this video. I better look for this cool video. I look for social video like this. In your husband the house. Then for you to secure your atrocity, your adulterous lifestyle, is to introduce the man to your husband. Especially when they follow for Facebook. So that your husband knows that's why this man is always constantly calling you. Is to introduce him to your husband. That was what you did. That's a very technical, a very delicate and very smart move of adulterers. To introduce the man to your husband. So that even when you and this man take call 2 hours, your husband will get no problem. Because why? He already knows, okay, now that man waiting for Spain. When he talk, say, boo, boo, boo. Now he and his wife, they talk. No, say, on that day they talk. So whenever the man they raise your opinion, they raise the opinion of, mama, I think go like you go this calm out away. See, you don't know say Ade husband house. The pa Ade husband house. To see Ade husband house. You go this one laughing. You don't say Ade husband house, man. Ade husband house. Iyore was a husband house. Iyore almost said the husband house. When Atiti they disturb him. When Atiti say one go see him for Spain, France, go put up with make us Wortoworto. You're the husband house. And you know it too. You are well. You yourself also knew, as he told you, say, in the friend you yes or no. Come to come. If you not tell me. Now, breaking news. Let's go there. I said today, we're going to expose some kind of things. Understand? Tomorrow, we're going to see expose some kind of things. Haley Douglas. Haley Itohan Douglas. Itohan Douglas. Oh God, I'm supposed to drink beer. Today on Sunday. I've been on holy water. This is almost the first time water. a water of saga. This is a water of saga. If you drink this water, you will remember many things we pass. Oh, 2,000 pounds for this water of saga. Now, Itohan Douglas. Now we sit down, we will talk about Itohan Douglas and Atiti who they inside. As they having issue with Itohan Douglas today, that issue was not solved before the issue come migrate to courts. Who is inside? Now this woman. This woman, this evil woman, now in the inside. As if the feel saying get woman, in get mother, don't see get evil woman. This evil woman who is an adulterous woman who is kicking against adulterous women. Who wants to see the downfall of Itohan Douglas? This is the evil woman. When they give her Titi money, meet the saga Itohan Douglas. Basically the saga Ajebo. When I wait to, I will clarify everything. Now the issue of Itohan Douglas came up through my platform. When I sit down, when I listen, when I share this video, make una invite those presenters, make they sit down. Make we talk. Understand? I dey tell you say, you not get pikin now, I go say you go use your pikin swear. But you go use your mama. Because your mama might even find pass you, might even be more important pass you because you don't even be important because you're a dead woman already. Understand? Now, this woman, I did my platform, they talk about adulterous woman. From there, it was adulterous woman of what's it called? Aginotalata. Aginotalata, you one of UK. Normally okay. So, as they can call A into a program, you can say, Ajebo sleep with Itohan Douglas. I can say you get proof of what you talk, so you can say yes, you get proof. I still end the call. I can say I'm not going to saga Itohan Douglas now until I see proof. Now I'm going to watch those videos. Then we can end live video. This useless one can't call me. Want to listen? Immediately I end the live video, I was supposed to call Atiti and hear the proof about it. This useless woman, now she fell call me. Bagam. And what did Atiti talk so? You don't say we are still one buster. Now you say look at stick, then they keep Atiti calm. You don't say we are still one buster. Now they keep Atiti calm. But now Atiti don't use the man talking now. Frank, you know say me I like you, and I know say this always stand for truth. You dey talk truth. You don't your turn now. You want change down. Not change down. The same truth what you like about me, where they talk to women, other women. Now that same truth now I want to cure you so bro. Don't play. You go learn. You understand? Now you tell me say you know say I like you. You dey always talk truth. You see this adulterous woman you just stand put so. I just like her because it's like tradition. Me I like her. Babe. That's okay. You say I still confide on me. He tell me say he get proof. He don't even show me the proof. Underline that statement. He said, I did not even show her the proof. The first day when I still called me for my life screen. The reason why I invest for this woman. Now I want to talk so. Not because of say I said that or baby woman. No. The reason I invest for this woman. Now I want to so we could sit down. We could hear. Which this woman talk for months. I get proof. You see this woman, when he made that statement to me, say, Atiti show and proof of how Ajebote sleep with Itohan Douglas. I was like, really? Yes. Then I get confidence. Oh, boy, this saga go sweet. Oh, baba. Saga now, this woman, I go drag her. I go drag this woman like a bata of which is Itohan Douglas. This saga gonna start. This man come intervene. Me come call and say, you give me proof. You understand? So that me go know, say, Itohan Douglas now waiting for Denmark. Now one face. You give me the proof, evidence to prove, say, this woman is a adulterous woman. I say, I wait first. Because I begin to call Atiti, they disturb her, they press Atiti. Now they say, this woman, say, I still never give me. Now listen, for back, where I see that she, now go see her. Then I they call Atiti Alpha guy, man. You know, I mean, you're my guy, Alpha. give me the proof of how this woman. Because I do a pay show of 25 euros per person, where I take expose adulterers of Wagenotagata, where that issue scatter every media. So Atiti was also expecting to do a pay show with the proof of how Ajebote sleep with Itona Douglas. So that was his own target. Then, when he see the constant disturbances of me, asking him to give me proof on how Ajebote sleep with Itona Douglas, he now uttered a word, said he want to use and do pay show. I said, hey, you want to use and do pay show? Okay, no problem. I will do that for you. I will say, you know, he said no, not to do one, but I will teach her. This was a plan between Atiti and this woman upstairs. Then, somebody now intervened into the matter. This woman now called me to my Douglas. Say, remember, in here waiting at Atiti talk. He really go at Ajebo, he follow Ajebo go at Atiti house. He sleep at Atiti house. He don't know what he have for nights. If he get what they take touch him, they take sleep with him. He don't know. And then make a help and fight this matter. Make him know, make him see the proof. How did they sleep with him for Atiti house? This was what this woman told me. Itona Douglas. That was why I was having interest in Itona Douglas issue. When she now said, I should please, anything we go take to me, for me to say, I find the proof how Ajebote sleep with him for Atiti house. Since Atiti not my friend, I can't talk on my platform, I make sure say I bring the proof come out. I said, no problem. Mama, no wahala, I can't relax. The saga called escalate. They escalate. The more the saga they escalate, proof not will come. Then Ola Koko come in to the same issue, because Ola Koko, Itona Douglas is a godmother of Ola Koko talk show. You understand? Godwin, Rose, don't make me laugh. Leave Wagenotagata alone. Forget Wagenotagata. You understand? Now, what are they listening to? Ola Koko can enter the matter and being. Based on Ola Koko can call me as a guy. I damn the list him. As Ola Koko come in, Ola Koko come say, bro, because me Ola Koko so will be. This time around, Ola Koko want give me a bay where I want to jackpot, go for Germany, enter Italo. That was then when I carried BS. For me to get BS, carry her like Ola Koko. Okay. Ola Koko come call me. Come tell me, say, man, Baba Alpha, this woman you should never can call me. It's Itona Douglas. Itona Douglas na mama. Na mama for area. Blah, 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 blah. He put Itona Douglas online on another phone. You know, conference also. He use another phone, puts me on, call me. He use another phone, call Itona Douglas. He put on and that one they listen. You understand? Me no know say Itona Douglas dey line. So as long as call me, I'm not saying me I not get issue. I didn't like when Atiti say Itona Douglas Atiti and they was sleep with him. So I don't get evidence. Never knew that woman was alive. You understand? Maybe they might be record. I don't know. Now waiting now talk for live. They not sleep talk for another ground. I tell Ola Kusi, Oyepa, I don't get any evidence against that woman. So that's why I don't go feel saga that woman. You cannot get proof of how Ajebote sleep with her. So but Atiti saying get proof. So now that proof we want to try collect what Atiti hand. Now I can say okay, and what will happen? And we will call Atiti, we'll put Atiti for call so that we will settle the issue one on one as men to men. I say, but I mean not get issue with Itona Douglas. And I say, my Itona Douglas did life on the other phone. The compost come to me. You understand? So that's to let you know say, Itona Douglas don't listen to our conversation since. You understand? Before you come bust out to me and say, Itona Douglas did life on the other phone. I can say, Mama, hello. Mama come greet me. Then this Ola Koko they talk say, Mama, you know what? Mama, maybe you find from Victor or something. Maybe from Victor forget the matter. I don't understand. May your Mama, may you bless from Victor, man. From Victor, well, no, Mama. God bless it from Victor. From king give me problem. Now king, any come, king give me problem. Now why they write the king give me problem? Then I want to say make Ola Koko send, maybe send Ola Koko my account number. Ola Koko go send that account for me. You understand? Now I say, no problem, man. We can't end the conversation. Immediately we end the conversation. I can't call my guy. You understand? I can't call my former godmother, Mama Ego. I can't call her. She is the weakness of waiting at the talk now. I can't put her on call. I can't tell my ego, say, no man. See one thing, this issue of a adulterous woman of this early Douglas. I just say it gets proof, but Omani prove me. Prove you not give me. Me, I will just talk finish now. When I call beg me, say can rest for the matter. You understand? But if I call for the matter, I can't be like say I don't go take bribe for back. I mean, my go to talk so. I might go say, what you go do? You call like call her Atiti, make Atiti give you proof. That's okay. You did that. I call you your life for all Atiti. As I call Atiti back, me I see the talk. I thought that see Alpha, a proof will me. Any proof you see you get with that woman, with that man, at the bottom sleep with to Douglas, you send me the proof. You understand? So that I go get him. Then I go set pay show for you. I go put money because this matter not big for media. If you put your pay show for 30 card or 40 card, people will come. They won't come see. They won't come watch the video. You understand? Hello? What talk about man? Live video. I hear speaker. Are you joy? Oh, combo. On your one. Mama, you do live video. Why forget the matter woman? You money go can matter woman over now. Mama, money go can matter woman. Money no work now. Every money I go can matter woman. Mama say you go can not the truth. Only money me I go can fool. I'll do okay. Do what I know. Alright, man, later. Yeah. No one knows that woman matter. No, they won't say. No! I can't call my girl. Tell my girl, say, Alpha, this issue of adulterous about this, Enogie Douglas, when you say you get the proof, Gaima, you send me the proof. Let me see the weight of the proof. Then I will set the page show for you, for your page. And how you will take enter. People go buy the ticket, come in. You see, your mindset, or mindset. You understand? You see your mindset, now it's okay. Your mindset, okay. Now I say, maybe that because me and you talk man to man. Now let me conference the mother, which is this woman. When I listen, I find out I can say the problem when I still get about Enogie Douglas. Now this woman, now me the problem. Because then put us for the problem we are still there now. With we never even know. Now, I conference this woman, this useless woman with the UK will not do okay. Put her for the group. Call with me, Atiti, and Cynthia. Adewale, come conference the board of 3 or 4 together. Mama I go dey call for the other phone. They listen. You understand? So I can't ask sister, you hear me say, I say, now, Mama, I tell your son, see, he say want use the evidence to do patient fine. I say make he send them come so that I go know how to do my saga. Now people don't know what this woman talk. So the number you want to know, so you need to talk to a very smart man. Now know what this Cynthia talk. Cynthia come ask me now, say Frank, when you want to do saga of Waginotagata, when you want to do the patient of Waginotagata, the evidence, the proof where you get, where you play for the patient, you first send down to Atiti. That was the question she asked me. Mama Ego was on lie. She's a weakness. Me she for no say, waiting at the talk, not truth at the talk. She not be my godmother again, I might not be my godmother, but then she was my godmother. I confide on her. I'm not the record person. You understand? She come ask me, say, When me want to pay show of Wagirotata being an adulterous woman, did I send the proof that I have to Atiti? I said no, man. I said, but this one's different. Now me want set up the pay show for Atiti. You understand? So I need to know the evidence where you get. Because if I don't want the solution why I'll call set pay show for a finish. You can go for my hand. You understand? So if you do saga, I know say I support Atiti for saga. I go know say get proof. Very vital proof where you get for hand. We go make me say I want to use my chest. Chase anybody will come around Atiti for saga. Because why? I don't really get proof. The woman said no, make I wait till then, till the time of we want to do the patient. Not be Atiti talk now. Now the woman summarize everything. He said make I wait till the time when Atiti want to do the patient before I go see the proof how Ajebote sleep with it one Douglas. Say I still would tell her to the extent. Say they go club. You understand? Everything we Ajebote talk for life. This one mark now for you. This one I call it ask me, Frank, you say you be traditional man. How can a married woman carry another man go club? How can a married woman lodge for the same hotel with another man? You understand? He was not questioning me on that WhatsApp call, group call. Now I say, I don't not concern me on another one. He say, Ajebo, Iyowa will carry Ajebo. Ajebo, Iyowa will carry Ajebo, will carry and go Nigeria. They go lodge for the same hotel for Lagos. But according all those things, this woman not going to hear those things. I call it we are Ajebo for live video. Before Ajebo call the talk, Ajebo call the analyze, Ajebo call the Ajebo by self confess call who call the confess. Now this is your this umudan. This umudan ogbegbe. Now she use the mouth hear everything for conference call. Now I can lock up. See, I raise my tongue and go up. I can't answer. I can't come out for live video. That same day, I sit down for my panel for my Wahala list. All those things happen. As I end the two of the call, now I tell now my mind go tell me say, Frank Victor, if I want to advise you, say in your advice, this matter you're the boy, remove your hands. Anytime we Atiti bring proof. If we continue the saga, remove your hand, not put your hand, but not put body for the saga. I say, okay, no problem. I don't hear. I can't come live video that day. I can't talk and say. As far as say, I don't see proof for Atiti hand. This saga of adulterous woman of Iyowa, I don't get hand for inside. You understand? I don't get hand for inside. I don't remove my body. You understand? You hear Titana what Ajeboya Iyowa because Atiti marry proof. Now Atiti cut off my platform, not proof. Now I withdraw my hand. This woman comes to make I wait. Now he comes to call me. Tell me say Atiti say make Iyowa carry and go palace. Make carry and go over palace. Say if Iyowa carry and go over palace, Atiti will go answer palace. Who were all doing all these things for Atiti? This woman. This same woman. Now she dey push, as she dey check, this is what to say, this is what not to say, this is what to say, this is what not to say. Who was the architect of all these words? Now she the artistic director. Now he be Iyowa. Now he be godmother. Now he be typewriter who dey write for her. This same woman. You understand? Eru wala matter. Who dey inside? Where artistic dey inside Eru wala? This same woman. This same woman. Now let me know, say, you know how much Eru wala give Efeyi. Efeyi not talk truth. Efeyi go to join Eru wala. Efeyi go to bear like this. If I was not smart, this would done. The one who caused quarrel between me and Efeyi. If you want to make me call the saga Efeyi for that Eru wala matter. For that same Eru wala matter. This woman. Since when this woman not cause for this social media, if I started to talk, we don't come on here. This Cynthia, well, you understand? Now I say, okay. Now so I just carry you go hotel. Now so I just knock you up at the house. Titi, you get record, you get video, anything we do say you get to show proof. Say, I just shopping you one code. Or you bring and come. Then you leave the rest for me. Me, I post the media. Or we know, or we are segue. Now, not be patient again now. This will not be patient now. Or we are say palace. If you don't reach palace, you go present the proof for palace. I talk about not talking. I talk about live video. You will have to go to palace. Oh God. Oh God. You want to cause carry go palace. You say when they go bring the paper. They bring the paper. I see no go. They bring this one. I see no go. I say waiting this all. The native doctor when they go where you go call see. They cause drag that one go palace. Beat that one black and blue because of attitude. Because of the bad math when that one talk. Useless word will come for that one math. And the month is join hand. They blast that native doctor because of her attitude. You work on base. When you work on the way they mash the native doctor, now you are base. Until July 1st, 2023. July 1st, 2023, when Iowa meet with Adimorphy 101. Now then the saga will chorus again. The saga will not quench. Iowa can go meet Orioba. Now so saga rise again. Now so Adimorphy go use police, enter the matter, carry the matter, enter palace. Where we dating today. As we talk now, RTT is wanted. Anything make us still buy tickets. Step your foot, enter BD, bam. In fact, now mom do bam, now kri. Who caused all these things for RTT neck? This woman. I go. If you follow the right person, you will be okay in life. If you follow the wrong person, you go regret them. That's the past today. Page where you say make I give RTT. Madam, are you get the page? Did you spend 1 cent for that page? You say you will pay me to manage the page. How are you paying me to manage the page? Show the receipt when you take pay me. Tell the world how much you they pay me to manage page. 500,000. And they ask you. They can tell you what to make you give me 500,000. Contact now. Contact the world. What to make you give me 500,000? Cynthia, Awele, contact the world. What to make you give me 200K? Contact the world. Daughter. Now question. Can't use your man. Not be this way they form they form cry. For live video. Remember me, Roba. Come talk on. As your son comes, they saga my wife. You come and say whether my wife, now your husband, now do me something. Oh, not be your husband do me something. So that you do me something, and you are married. Larry, Cynthia, I will. Now my wife, now I collect your boyfriend page. Now my wife collect your boyfriend page and they ask him. Now question. Make my wife head buy this your useless husband will be like a chimpanzee. This black devil wait for his heart. Now you don't show. If you know well, no ya na wa gbewa, o ma yere o carry o ma ene. Asere go your way. Now truth I tell they flog you. Truth. The truth about you now you dey talk. You know the presenter. But you was past presenter. You was past presenter. See, I don't want how the drag people come out. When they say, and the drag that they come out. Now they know. All those people. Anything that they talk now. Presenter they know. Because they're there to the class too. To the category. Hello? Hello? Everything we are the top. Many of these presenters you support, they know the truth. They know the truth from the top. Because you want to be their followers. You be their snitch. You want to snitching. From Lolo, you enter Rita. Kokobiri. You be Rita callers. You always call for Rita platform. You always call. Me, you see how you demonic rich. When the two friends who they follow play, if they get misunderstanding, you don't settle them. You always go for the one with hand less. They join that one. Hello? Hello? Yeah, they hear you. Good afternoon. You know this speaker. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. All right. Most of the people I know waiting and talking the truth. Now, let me give you an example. The one that happened recently. Rita FB, Kokobiri, fibrous food presenters with Europe the pharmacists. They come they play. All of us see they are play for the social media. Before we know what they happen, I see that they form jealous. I see that they hit on Rita. You already enter inside to try to make peace for them. Even when I say pick into the council for Spain, he called Enogie. Enogie was on live video with Rita. On that same live video, Enogie said apologizing to Rita, begging Rita to let go of attitude issues. You all watched the video. Not too long, I think changed the saga from Rita to Enogie. And when I was analyzing this issue, this useless woman will call you this useless woman call on active live screen and tell her to take, let's call a spade a spade, and after this you move on and saga Enogie. The video is still on still. The beginning, the genesis of this active and Enogie saga. This woman, this Cynthia, he was the person that give active more energy, more agility, make it start the saga Enogie. My people, what's it gonna happen? With anger, Enogie came out categorically and lay curse on this woman's head. He lay curse on this useless woman's head. I sit down, they look how, and they look on. There be two like that. The two of them are the worstest woman you can ever think of. As Enogie laid that curse inside last month, now Enogie laid the curse this month. Enogie say, if I am most to lie with me, he laid the curse say, if I am lie with me, where do you have with that material? I'm going to you out. Enogie laid that curse say, I'm going to you out. If I am lie with me, sit I will. Today we are we are. If you don't know, say, if they look us on you, you they look for picking. You that still marry woman when they look for picking. Where Gualamo, you they look for picking, you they perpetrate evil. You they perpetrate evil for social media. If you don't use anger and look us on you, it never reach 1-2 weeks now. The cause don't manifest. I deal with my saga water. The cause don't manifest. Body you're move boy. Or someone manifesting it. Or I always say we are you are in you. Don't forgive me. You already are the live video or the return a curse in you go still go meet Enogie. Go background. Enogie go still comes that's a live this a live video. Go call return your course. If not, saga no buzzy. You you will never know peace. You will never know peace. You and your husband will pass slowly for this video. More time. When we woo, I never know one. Cynthia, I will. I am your mother. I will be your mother. Who can assume when they were over? Who can assume when they were over? Who can your papa not quicker when the tired of your when we let your boy, and then one who you because the government commanded one. When the man ran it, we go saga. A young as you know, water. Wow, soon. See your life now. All the evil way you do is there. I know you, but I lock up. I lock up. I know what you are doing. I lock up. If I still want to do any saga, now you they always the right topic they give at it. I will lock up. You go right now. From Victor, where did the day? From Victor, where did the day? If I'm going to do this one, you go right rubbish, go give at it. I still go put paste up for the way you go. You go the saga, you go the song. I go they look at the laugh. I go just look the laugh. Now you tell me, they ask me if your husband, now your husband, you get what your husband do me, or your husband will have soon. Yeah, I said this your husband will be like Babu who live in the Zoom. This your husband will be like Portable, so oh yeah soon. This your husband, senior king of devil. Oh soon, but I like no, but when I'm go. Wa vagua. Obi gara. Isso me gara. Igara. Eu mana. All those igara. Agopo. Ugwo wa bagmo. No you we bia kwali. Cynthia welekia. That's for that. Let me leave you guys now. That update will come back later again. For more updates about Cynthia. Cynthia Oboga is a dark. Show me that. The way attitude they saga other women and you they enjoy her, you they give her money. Now slowly go start to the saga you now. Your saga just continue. Rita own. Make I forget about Rita. The one where you talk Rita about it, that only my concerning me. Now I forget Rita own. If you like gossip Rita, not concerning. Only my concerning. No, no, that's my concern. Not my concern. Now I'm still going to talk about. C'est pour des mots better. Les important pour faire passer your husband. Wahala. Who go bless you? Not go stress you. Oh, wa soon when I will I want go with you. Me can't chop belly food. I can't carry my phone. Because you say, Cynthia, my pardon, my pardon hospital. I need money. With a man, when you know say I do Igbo ass. Don't be say you don't know. Your so-called pikin attitude win money for naira bets. Now so attitude carry for come see one give money. Ask her. I think I don't need the money. How many times attitude don't come say one give me money? Ask her. Wait in a challenge. He manage the money. God, Father. Or we go near tell you that jebo. The money where they give a jebo. Now me want they give her to as a godfather. That's how money down. If me still get, I will still bless you the more. That's why I say make you work for your page. They work for your page, YouTube. Make for they make money. You feel me? I see YouTube today with me if you tell me I tell you. In YouTube today my laptop here 247. I'm playing. Hey, are you boy yo? What's with no eyes and not get what I go base. Many are levies. Now sestical buha or yawa. Or yawo no ma get o de. Oh your banner. Oh any cow. Oh you are your ban. Wa soon mon face bestie. Ayowa.
My people, when I do with the program, they give me money. When they say no go, I know Lamo. Me and they always they argue. We can't reach a case, but me and you plan. Get my buy, get my name. I said no, leave for
I said, Wesha, make I see rest, remove small, me I see reserve small. I dey come for you again. Obaga guy said, David Jana. Yes, many presenter. Just say me and the only play. Just me and the only paro. I don't know the talk. I just me and lock up. If you want to be real near, maybe I'm tired this year.
You understand? I'm not the first person to say, even the person use me.
Me na presenter. If I the saga, you get proof of what I tell you. And if I dey knock your story, na legit story, go ask. If I dey launch the story, they come up on media. Na legit story I dey give out. I want to give out fake news for people. I want to bring fake story come. I never come Europe when all these things happen. You understand? I sit down here so before I dey talk waiting where I not there, my eye don't reach am. Before I come bring the news, I go make sure say because people there that time when that thing happen, they go hear what I dey talk. Now they go say, I want to attack. I was there, but you know, if you come and say, yes, not true. But within them, they know, okay, what's going on, they talk so, not true. You understand? It's just like all those Akala one of Madrid. All those Akala one of Madrid, all those things where happen for Madrid then, when we talk on live video. I never reach abroad that time. I never reach the Moscow matter where they talk. Everything about the Moscow. I you about the Moscow motor. Where I never for social media. You will about come and talk. He can't talk about herself. You understand? Was I there? No. I don't enter Europe? No. Everything where they talk now legit. And it proved it. Yeah, Akalo, all day yo. You will say you want to call my name for this tutor. You go Akalos. You know the reason why? Because I truth. The most do what if you say no level. Because the most say nothing not true that they tell her. He's the king of Central Lord. He knows not truth at the talk. Yeah, I did a bama okay. Because I wear when you're there happy. That's the reason why I prefer put myself on the should say, if not lie. Somebody give me story like this, they'll give me story like this. I go the right, I get book here. I go the right at the right. I don't carry bad notes. I go tell you now, go right now. Okay, now this is DJ Charles. Glory, wife of Ajebo. You understand? This is Festus Akala, one of Madrid. This one I write up where I write for ground. The year where I write this now is 2000. That was 2021. Next day or so, I see your that daughter on hand for ground. Different people story. The day here, I go write their name put. This is the story of Ajebo in Madrid. Igbon Yima. Yeah, I go through. I go cross check. I go look. The city where fed day. I go read down. Leganes. I mean my Leganes. Omanus. All those things there. Va bien there at all. See here. Va bien there at all. It been in the but matter. But when they go here, they're going to say, this boy not true. This thing happened that year. This happened that year. The real name of this woman, Mama Dollar, or whatever they call her. I did there. You gotta never know. Anything where you do, person they watch you, and God they watch you. Do it well. If you do well, they will still come praise you. And well, it doesn't matter where you carry come like this. Once you boss matter on media, now people will come say, bro, after that matter not clear. No, another matter. That year, I don't see how. They will come give you the real full juice. So you will use out of hatred. They bring matter to give you as presenter. They will give person matter to give you because of hatred. Then when you will hit up for life video, you go with now I call awareness, not be full brokers. You go hit and you go drag awareness. As you drag the awareness, you do not use cost follow and you withdraw. Before they bring us so called when they come. Bro, that's the way that video use no your play at all. That woman not be so beautiful, that woman not be a shower. So I know that woman now my carry and come. The woman they also they work for Africa show before. They will call they give you the story, you will hear the right. Now you give you the full gist of that person. And as one my friend, if one man, as one man, they will give you the full gist of that person. Straight down. You as a presenter, you don't get the gist. You don't know what for book. How are they? Now, when you record person, you can't be playing. You don't fall your hand. You don't ever see who will tell you anything again. You don't ever see who will tell you anything again. Because who use they play record, the voice come out, that person don't know. I don't like them one. Or see a baby gear, or see a bugbear. Like this what do they call this woman? Susie. Susie's story when me diagnose. Where I pile my paper. I pile on my paper. If to say I record the person. Now once Susie will know the person. All the bezas and the media the media. But because they are right, I no record. As they read, and they flash back to what the person they talk. So they talk. I feel they short, they give us short abbreviation. Once I go there, maybe I cannot see talk. I go talk and live video. Person who want to see, who will not know. I'm say I am my live web. No, my business web. What 30 years or no, 30 years in me. And then every year, he's talking now. Go be again. My live web. It may you feel back in wedu. And then he's talking now. Go be again. If I be there at all, and I will be again. But you don't tell a live video. It's an history that you read about people. They might still be alive. They might be dead. These are the legends. It be their legends. Understand? And they see the living legends, and they see the dead legends. They see it be their legends. These are legends. These are history our children will come and talk about. This woman Saka go too sweet oh. Because this woman one of that is if you know the way this woman they evil. I go to beat this woman, you know why? You don't say where they got this woman for. The evil way they do, I go to overlook her. He go to do more. I go to overlook her. Now you go solve my hand. I swear to God. Tell your boys, may they come and do time. I not get their time. You know what? They're not rich. Your boys, tell them say I not get their time. As they talk, we should never still grow. Yes. You know why? When you talk to the wrong people, you can never grow. If you talk to the wrong people, you can never grow. Especially those people that have bowed down for me before. Like Dongu, we don't have called in for this platform called a bed. My fans consider me still forgive him. He's a boy. And he remain a boy. He remain what? A boy. Obi is a boy. He's a boy. He's a boy. Oh, that's a long sentence. Ogbegbe. Madam Ogbegbe. I greet you with better style. What already? I'm not gonna leave you guys. I'm going to stay inside. I want to go back inside. I want to wear bosses now. I'm making a woman. I'm a yarrow. Really one for. I want to go back inside. Oh no. City Awele. I can't. He said, "My papa, the hospital. Me can call her. God damn it! You must see like on top of my head." You can't even laugh top of my papa head. My papa will draw you join body for grip. If I see my papa draw you now, my papa will like fat to my shah. You understand? But you be hard way by. My papa not will like you because you not get shit. You are just you be like the body tower. You be like drum. Now never see your full picture. Make I show you full picture. Since I want to be like drum. Make I show you your full picture. This will be like drum. In full picture, I will show. A drum like Betty Dodo. Let's go to see this. See this. It be like person with a bang. See your man, husband. Now give you a full picture. Oh, beg. See one. This one shiny. Me I go print the one you go clear. When I go see olila neighbor. Unwe we nyala lorebu me. How this man go able to satisfy yourself as you may do like this? In a winning. It's a wada. A big cycle. Who is in the garden? A little clitoris. See. If they have inside darkness, now side to take your side. If you see a fool, you go here. On our begbe. See your begbe. Oh, begbe. Oh yeah, I'm going to picture like well, I'm not on Facebook now. When I go check. This is wada. A big cycle. Oh, did there. Oh, did that dinara. Onamate oh did that dinara. Oh did there. Oh did that dinara. Agbagbadi, agbaglolo. Asilo ona asologun. Mugu. You see your life. We may be me look. Either if you go, or boy said that. Oh, we are let go. Go work Oswald Macron. Where you give money, make the saga. Give her money, make the saga. But we see, as there is saga, now you are the beast. Now you are at home. Sit here. Now you are your husband at home. Me, I don't know anybody. I don't see any presenter for the social media. The only person when they see now, you are your husband. The only people when they see my face now, where they even see now. Where I will see, I will listen to now you are your husband. Heavyweight champion. Ogbegbe. You never see anything. You go learn Chinese language. Now, I live now. See you guys later. Allow me to enjoy myself. It pain. Is it paying you? You know why it go pay you? You know why it go pay you? Because I use truth to beat you. That's why it go pay you well. It go touch you because now the truth not they beat you. You know why your son not pay me? He not pay my wife. You know why? Because your son doesn't know anything about my wife. My wife had never called your son before. Come the gossip people matter for your son. Your voice record there with me will show you know. Don't play. We never start your saga. I never start the play record. You don't feel the vibes. If I come back later, I'll come play Suzu. Beer was home, but see, I want to control myself. I don't want to drink beer for this saga. Later, we'll come talk Suzy side. We'll come play your gossiping about Suzy. And Yuri. How that I get that audio? Now you send that to me. It's time. I know the word Suzy. If I enter Suzy's page like this, I must comment. Unless you don't do the video finish, the content is not on me. I don't get time. Yeah. Hey, you boy, yo. Oh, calm down. Okay, see guys. I will see you guys later. Let me leave you guys now. Let me leave you guys now. Now, bye for now.